This is the semiko who are going down from the cliff and jump away. And here's the behind the left, a part of the Chinese, the Tupac and the SP. Jin Jin. Come on, come on, come on. We are waiting for you. Come on, what's wrong? What's wrong? Come on. Are you afraid of? Okay, but if you're not going, bye-bye. Oh, why not coming town? We still wait for him. Yes. How to climb town from the graph? They have climbed town. Now let's go and sit on the other side. When we go about the side in the great wall of the curl, we must set a two person standing here. Yeah. And the first this one is the Tupac in the middle, and here the new trailer. And I hope here is the banana. Here's banana. Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, town, come on, town, come on, town. Whoa. Come on, town. Come on. Yes. They all are becoming very expert in going down, climbing up in this, the great wall of the crew. This is the most beautiful place in the crew. I hope so. Wait for that star. Come on, town. What is his name? No. No. Spiky, yes, his name is Spiky. And the upper one is Tupac. Oh, yeah, and some of them are climbing still up. Yeah, to want to climb it so much, but yeah. And here's the semiko who are running, and here is the freestyle. Yeah, here's the freestyle. As he is climbing down and about to reach the land, and he has already reached the land. Yeah. This is Spiky. Yeah. Okay, now come on, guys. Mr. Tupac, come on, town. Come on, town, slowly. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. We have finished this one. And the next channel, we have a movie called MKPC Maker Season 2 or Part 2, you may see. And it also written as the semiko. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Goodbye.